everybody, it's Connie again with the Artisan Company. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at a project that I've already completed. Actually, the next two projects I've already done. But the reason why sometimes I don't show you the whole process, I show you a finished product. Sometimes I just need to get in my own space and create something and not necessarily show every step or every process that I did. And so sometimes I just have to do that and get my own space. So the next two things I'm going to show you are like that. But the one we're going to look at today is an Owyhee opal, blue opal necklace. So let's go look. Alrighty, here we go. So what you are looking at now is the blue Owyhee opal or Owyhee opal. Um, that's these pieces right here, these powdery blue pieces. And it does come in a little darker blue, and sometimes you can get it in a little lighter blue. But I loved these particular stones. I thought they were stunning, and I thought, oh my goodness. So I started my creative process and thinking about and pondering and focusing on what this should look like. And a lot of times, my necklaces, I will have a name for them. Not all of them, but some of them have names, and this one does. And so I decided to make it look like the name that it has. And the name of this one is called Shining Ones. It's out of Daniel 12:3. And so I took the blue opal, and these are rondelles, and I mixed it with some beautiful Czechoslovakian faceted cut glass, which are these pieces right here, all the way through. And then I flanked it with some royal blue rhinestones right in here. That's the dark blue that you see. And then I wanted the focal to be mainly down here on the bottom, so that's where all the Czech cut glass and rhinestones are focused. And as I went up to the top up here, when I got to the end of where I wanted the rhinestones to be and start to graduate up into the top up here, I just used the Czech glass to continue the thought, but to kind of shadow that thought out. And so we're going into just solid blue. And what I did was, if you can see it here, I'm not sure. But again, you know me with my slivers of light. That's what I call bead caps. I call them slivers of light. And so I started a few of those caps down here just randomly. And then there's some right in here. And then every bead, there's one cap in between every one of these beads here. And then I started doubling them because I'm trying to wean out the bead cap process. So every one, and then every two right here all the way up. And then when I got to the top, it became every three right here. So I wanted the light to begin to dissipate as it was going up to the clasp. And then I finished it off with this beautiful hammered look S-clasp right here. And I know most people, like you've heard me say over and over and over again, most of my people that I work with want something that is easier to do. So here we go. These beautiful hammered S-clasps. I love them. Remember, remember, remember. Here's the finishing bead. There's where your crimp is, and this is your crimp cover. Remember your crimp covers. It's important. So, and then I finished the end off here with a little bead cap in here too, just to make it look complete right in there. So yes, this is the Owyhee blue opal. It is called the Shining Ones. And oh my goodness, it was such a beautiful thing to do. I loved it. It is stunning. The pictures online in the shop just don't do it justice. It never does. When you always get the stones in hand, they're always so much more beautiful than they are in the photographs. I realized after I shot it that I didn't give you a close-up of that big top. So there you go. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my goodness. It makes me so happy. Okay. Oh my goodness. It is for sale at theartisancompany.com. All right. Hope you enjoyed that. I'll see you on the next project. Bye.